Good day everyone, back out at the Edward River at the famous dog crossing spot. And came out early this morning. It's about 6:30. It's a little cool, it's very windy surprisingly, but searching for that first yellowbelly, so I thought I'd get up a little bit early, give it a go. So we'll see what we can get. I've got bread and worms. Hopefully we catch something. Oh, and we hooked into something. Okay, first fish of the morning. Not huge by any means, but just over 50 centimeters. And very feisty. So we're on the board. This guy just flew up into the tree next to me. And the little birds, I don't know if I can get them or not. The little birds are going nuts trying to get them away from their nests, I guess. He doesn't seem to be disturbing it out. Galar just enjoying the morning. A bit breezy. He was squawking pretty loud a second ago. I was hoping to get him on camera. Oh, something hit the worm hard. Oh, it's a cod. Another off-season cod. There we go. About 50 centimeters or so, about the same as that carp that I just caught. Very pretty birds. Little family of ducks going for a swim. Babies are getting pretty big. Mama's still looking after them. He just swam right up here to me. Hello? Hello? What's up? Friendly guy? Hello?